welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we have a Chanel handbag unboxing, guys. Yes, it's another handbag, it's another unboxing, but it's different today because it's from Chanel, guys. So if you're following me in this channel, you already see that I have the shopping vlog, the Chanel shopping vlog last time. So one of that bag that I shown you is the handbag inside, so let's find out together. So I'm very excited. So by the way, if you are new here, subscribe, like, and comment, guys, and let me know your thoughts. And without further ado, we're gonna start the unboxing. So as you can see, it's already a Christmas packaging, guys. So like the ribbon is already a Christmas ribbon, so it's in black and gold, so pretty. And even the Camilla flower is already in Christmas animation packaging. Dust bag. And do you have any idea, guys, what's inside? So this is how it looks like. Let's be careful. And you can see it's something white. We have here the Chanel vanity case. Actually, guys, this is not part of the small leather goods. This is a proper handbag, so in white color, caviar leather, and of course in silver hardware. Look at this beauty, guys, so pretty. Oh my god. Actually, the white color is like no undertone at all. It's like, you know, a pure white. This is like a snow white, guys. So I have here, I don't have really a white color handbag, but the one that, like, you know, the lighter color that I have. So I have here the comparison. This is my Louis Vuitton pochette, guys, and look at this. This is the difference. So this is more in like a beige undertone, like more a beige, and this Chanel is really white bag, guys. So I've been really wanting for a white bag for a long time, because I really remember that I have one Chanel handbag that I already sold that is in white as well, but the undertone is more on gray. So now, like, you know, I really want to have a replacement with the white handbag, because, like, you know, as you can see, my outfits all the time is always white. It's either white or light colored, pink, or in beige. So, like, you know, I really want to have a white handbag, and here it is. Like, you know, I found the right one. So as you can see in my past shopping vlog, you can see that, like, I'm picking up in between, like, trendy and between this one. And then I think that the trendy is a little bit like too feminine to me, and then too close with the coco top handle. So, like, you know, and with this bag, you know, so it's too close for that. And then if I want white handbag, I want it, like, you know, more rounded, more versatile. It's like, you know, can do like from day to night handbag. So that's why I pick up this one, and this is more, like, you know, more my personality. And I have actually like a vintage vanity case right here, which I bought. Like, you know, if you want comparison video between the two, I'm gonna make you a video with that one. And I know that I really love vanity case style, but the problem is, like, you know, it doesn't have any strap. That is what is missing in that handbag, guys. So that's why I really want to have a vanity bag. So the features of this handbag, guys, so you have the top handle here. As you can see, there's a top handle, and here, look at this hardware here, guys. It's super cute. You have the Chanel printing there, and I really love how it looks like. The same thing on the other side, and the strap is just like this. So this is how it looks like. The strap is a little bit thin, so it looks like the classic flaps, guys. That is how the strap looks like. And here the handle is, like, you know, like wide enough that I can put my hands inside like this. And here you have two zipper pull, which you can open both sides like that. You just start from the outside, guys. So, like, you know, it's the classic quilting. So you have like the CC logo right here, which still have the sticker. So I want to take it out with you guys. So we take out already the sticker. So I want to keep the sticker on the side. And of course, the best thing of this one is, like, you know, on the back, it looks like this. On the back, And then on the bottom, guys, it has a 4 metal feet, which I always prefer with the handbag, so that, like, you know, it can really sit down on my storage, guys, or if I'm going out, you know, like, you know, to prevent the bag being dirty. And also which have like, you know, the CC logo right here, that is like, you know, it's giving additional, you know, up into the handbag, which I really love. And then when we open the zipper, we open it all the way, guys. And inside, when you open inside, you have a mirror here. So like, you know, I rather not take out the plastic of the mirror because it's inside. So like, you know, it doesn't bother me. And inside you have lined with a lambskin leather, guys. So beautiful, so pretty. And then here you have the Chanel logo here. And it's made in France, guys, which I really love. It's made in France. It's also like, you know, the print is also in silver. And here you have the metal plate here for the date code, guys. And you also have a pocket here where you can put your card or something. And here in the back, like, you know, it's more on the lipstick. And that's it, guys. It's just like one big compartment inside. So the price of this handbag, actually, like, you know, I seen like, you know, mini vanity case unboxing. So many of my friends already do unboxing for the mini vanity case, and that one is just like, you know, about 2,000 to 2,500 US dollar. But this one, guys, is really expensive actually, because like it's really double that price, guys. So it's almost 5,000 US dollar right now. So yeah, it's only $20 short for the 5,000 range, guys. So for that bag, like, you know, if I gonna buy in other brand, like for example, like, you know, in Louis Vuitton, guys, I already get like a proper handbag for that one. But this one, this is the style that I really wanting. What I love about this handbag is like, you know, because it's like, if you want it to be discreet, you just have like two zipper pull here, which you can cover the CC logo. So like, you know, no one can tell that it's a Chanel handbag, guys. And of course, like, you know, the white, I know exactly that it's like, you know, it's very sensitive. The color is really pure, but I always wear like a light colored outfit anyway. At the same time, the combination also I really love, because like, you know, it's white and silver, so it's more understated. Usually, like, you know, if you do like, just for example, this bracelet of mine is like white and gold, it's more like, you know, more dressy. But when it's big with silver, it's more like more casual and more understated, as what I said. So that is what I love about this handbag. At the same time, the shape is really like young and fresh. And I'm not really scared to make this handbag like dirty, because since it's a caviar leather, it's more susceptible from any of the scratch. And of course, if you make it like, you know, accidentally make it dirty, it's just easy, you just wipe it off. So like, you know, I'm not that scared, you know, having a light colored handbag. So let's find out what can fit in this beauty, guys. So here I have a Zoe wallet from Louis Vuitton. It's perfectly fit there. And of course, like, you know, we need to try the mini pochette, guys. It's always the test for the handbag. So it's really perfectly like, I can lay down there perfectly, guys. So like, it means that the length of the mini pochette is like the same width as the handbag. So we can also do the key clay, my key clay inside, and of course like my car key right here, and like, you know, my shopping bag, which is like, you know, very important, because if in case it's gonna rain, I have something to cover my bag. So there. And then of course, like, you know, we have an alcohol, guys. And of course, my cell phone. This is the biggest cell phone, so if in case, like, you know, you're worried that your biggest cell phone cannot fit, so like perfectly fit right here. So like, you know, your biggest cell phone can fit exactly, guys, and your mini pochette, and you can actually squeeze more things in there. So I really don't want, so if you want shades, I don't want to squeeze my shades. So if you want to put more things inside, guys, you can still fit, guys. And here you still have more space on the top, so you can like, you know, put like a smaller shades in the top, guys. And that's it. So like, you know, everything that I need, all my necessities can fit in this handbag. So the handbag looks like so. Top handle this way, and then we can do also like this. By the way, my height is 5'1", guys, so it's just like, you know, how this handbag looks like on me. So shoulder bag is a little long for my liking. It's a little bit long, but if you are like 5'5", onwards, guys, above, guys, this is so perfect for you. Shoulder bag, but I'm not planning to do like a shoulder bag, so it's either like, you know, I do a crossbody bag like this. It's really perfect on me because this is my belly button, so it really sits on my belly button, so it's very, very comfortable this way. So this is the handbag looks like. First impression about this handbag, guys, so if you feel it in and like, you know, like inside is a little bit heavy, I just warn you that the shoulder is a little bit painful. It's really digging into your shoulder if you do crossbody, but like, if you do like, you know, shoulder bag, it's a little bit okay. But most of the time, if you only do like just like tap handle this way, and then like, you know, it's just okay. And then if you occasionally put like crossbody, if you only know do like a few minutes that you want to have hands free, it's okay as well. So that's like, you know, just also a warning. And if you are like, you know, a short or petite lady, like, you know, this one shoulder bag is a little bit long. I also warn you with that one. But like, you know, as a top handle bag, it's really, really good. It's really amazing. And then the capacity wise, it's really, really like, you know, can fit a lot. All your necessity can fit inside. So like, you know, this is the good thing with this bag. So what are your thoughts about this handbag, guys? Do you like it? Or like, you know, comment down below what you feel about this handbag. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And till the next video, guys. See you. Bye.